So basically, if you get this super enthusiastic, you know, the most, let's go, let's do it, the sky is the limit and all those things of stuff.
I actually don't remember any weird situations.
This email sounds like it was sent from another time. It's like medieval, I think. I understand the importance of your time.
For me, the richest way of reaching out is using some peculiar language, which is understandable only for sender, but not for the receiver.
I had my birthday and someone wishes me a happy birthday, and when I say thank you, they reply with a sales message or something for me to look up on.
Devoted to your work, and with respect to that, I just wanted to confirm the receipt of my previously sent email.
IG messages and the texts combined together. That was like, how'd you get my number?
Yeah, one day I got an email with my name in title, and in the body there was an image of me on someone's screen, pretending like we would have a Zoom call, and that was the way someone, asking me for a Zoom call. That was weird.
Which may bring a rewarding decision for our estimate organizations.
Also, using more emojis and pictures than text is weird, and I wouldn't answer such a mail.
Kindly spare some time to reply me, as presently the most important email that my inbox is seeking is the one you will send me.
Because actually with outbound it's more about relation and, you know, being the real one, the person. And if you get something like this from me, it's like, come on, really?
Unfortunately, I didn't have such story, only common paths of reaching me.
When we were writing our emails and we're overthinking it, it may come off as weird or unnatural. So when you're just writing an email to a prospect, try to be a human.
But it would be pretty awesome to get a song written and sent via cold email. I would be delighted to receive one someday.